Ó ti ọ̀sùn. Pàṣọ ó ti ọ̀sùn.
Ayọ̀ yóò kí ẹ mọ̀ sí.
Ó dúpẹ́ òbí ẹ̀.
Òkè wọ́n ti ní
Wọ́n á sọ sórí wọn láwọn ọmọ ẹ̀jẹ̀. Owó lè jẹ́. Come on, má gbé fún wọn gbé sórí tébù ẹgbẹ́ tó bá sọ lọ́wọ́ má gbélé wọn. Yeah, my people. We are here, we are voting tonight. We are in Amole, we are voting. So, as I'm not allowed to show you that vote, come on, vote, not fight. You get? So, I would just say Nigeria is going to be better. Very soon, very soon. As soon as Nigeria is daddy, we are going to lose. We are going to lose about the father. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má jà o, ẹ má gbé ballot box o, ẹ má jà ní polling booth o, ẹ dìbò pé ẹ sáàmù bá ti fáìlà wa, ẹ dìbò ẹ gbé bàbá wọlé ẹ̀rọ ara máa lọ lé jẹ́jẹ́jẹ́ àwọn gbọ́ rìsọ́ọ̀tì lálẹ́ àbọ̀là ọlọ́run aṣọ àánú wa o.